Welcome back to the workshop. One of the most important decisions you'll make as a wood carver is choosing the right type of wood for your projects. Today, we're going to explore the different types of wood, their properties, and how to select the perfect wood for your carving style. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of which wood to use for your next carving masterpiece. When it comes to carving, wood can generally be divided into two main categories: softwoods and hardwoods. Softwoods, like pine or basswood, come from trees with needles or cones, such as pines, spruces, and firs. These are typically easier to carve, making them ideal for beginners. On the other hand, hardwoods, like oak or walnut, come from trees that have leaves. They're often tougher and more challenging to work with, but they can give you more durable and intricate carvings once you're more experienced. Let's start with the wood that's most often recommended for beginners: basswood. Basswood is a softwood, and it's extremely easy to carve. Its grain is fine and uniform, making it perfect for intricate work. Whether you're whittling or working on relief carvings, basswood will give you clean cuts with minimal resistance. The smooth surface also takes finishes like paint and stain very well, so it's a versatile choice for many types of projects. Next, we have pine, another softwood that's widely available and affordable. Pine is easy to find at most hardware stores and comes in different varieties like white pine or yellow pine. While pine is relatively easy to carve, it does have a prominent grain, which can sometimes make it tricky to work with. The grain can pull your knife or gouge in different directions, so be prepared to adjust your carving techniques. That said, pine is great for larger, less intricate projects and is perfect for practicing basic cuts. Now, let's talk about oak, a hardwood known for its strength and durability. Oak is much harder to carve than softwoods like basswood or pine, but it can produce beautiful results, especially in large or outdoor carvings, where durability is key. Oak's grain is dense and pronounced, which can give your projects a rich, textured look, but it also means you'll need sharper tools and more patience to work with it. We recommend oak for carvers who are looking to challenge themselves with more detailed work. Walnut is another popular hardwood for carvers, especially those looking for a rich, dark finish. Walnut's grain is much finer than oak, allowing for more detailed carvings. Its natural color gives a stunning finish without the need for heavy staining or painting. However, like oak, walnut can be tough to carve, so make sure your tools are sharp and you're prepared for a bit more effort. The reward, though, is a beautifully finished carving that will stand the test of time. So, how do you choose the right wood for your project? If you're just starting out, I recommend sticking with softwoods like basswood or pine to practice your cuts and build your confidence. As you advance, you can experiment with hardwoods like oak or walnut, especially for more intricate or durable pieces. Consider the type of project you're working on. If it's something detailed, like a small figure or relief carving, a softwood like basswood might be the best choice. For larger outdoor projects, a more durable wood like oak could be ideal. Understanding the different types of wood is key to becoming a skilled wood carver. Each wood has its own unique properties, and learning how to work with them will help you make informed choices for your projects. I hope this guide helps you feel more confident about choosing wood for your next carving. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got more beginner-friendly tutorials coming up, so hit that notification bell to stay updated. Happy carving, and we'll see you in the next video.